Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emily who lived in a small village. She was kind, hardworking and always had a smile on her face. However, she was lonely and yearned for love. One day, while she was out picking flowers in the forest, she stumbled upon a handsome young man named Jack who was lost. They struck up a conversation and Emily offered to help guide him back to civilization. From that day forward, Jack and Emily started seeing each other frequently. They went for long walks, had picnics, and talked for hours about everything and anything. Before long, they both realized that they had fallen deeply in love with each other. One day, Jack took Emily to the top of a hill overlooking the village and confessed his love for her. Emily was over the moon and couldn't wait to spend the rest of her life with Jack. They made plans to get married in the spring. However, Emily's father, the village chief, did not approve of Jack. He felt that Jack was not good enough for his daughter and forbade them from seeing each other. Emily was devastated and heartbroken, but she did not want to disappoint her father. Jack, not wanting to be separated from Emily, came up with a plan. He wrote a letter to Emily expressing his undying love and passion for her, and how he would do anything to be with her. He left the letter in the center of the village where everyone could see it. The letter quickly went viral, and people from all over the region started talking about the young couple's love story. People were touched by the love and devotion that Jack had for Emily, and many started to see him in a different light. Emily's father was also moved by the letter and the outpouring of support for Jack and Emily. He realized that Jack was a good man and decided to give their relationship his blessing. The spring finally arrived, and Jack and Emily were married in a beautiful ceremony in the forest. They lived happily ever after, their love for each other only growing stronger with each passing day. Their story spread far and wide, and people from all over the world heard about the power of love and how it could overcome any obstacle. The couple became famous, and their love story was told and retold for generations to come. Years later, Emily and Jack were old and gray, but the love they shared never faded. They held hands, looking out over the village, proud of the love story that they had created and the impact it had on the world. In the end, their love story became a symbol of hope and inspiration for countless generations to come, reminding people everywhere that love is the most powerful force in the world.